Hello skaters! Today we are going to work on power pulls starting with beginner variations and gradually moving to more challenging exercises. Power pulls are great drills to improve power, knee and ankle bend, coordination, edges, and flow. Let's start from the very beginning. The first exercise will be at the wall. We are going to draw a figure 8 with a forward 2-foot glide. This is a simulation of the twisted position and knee ankle bend similar to power pulls. Start by working on the range and unison of your ankles. Glide around the circle, turning your hips one way and your shoulders the other way. In the first half of the circle, create the action bend and twist into the circle. In the second half, straighten your knees and ankles and continue the figure 8 movement. Now let's do the same backward. 2-foot glide on the figure 8 with knees bent. Again, create the action on the first half of the circle and straighten as you come back to the axis. Switch the direction of your glide, keeping your hands on the wall, and continue drawing a figure 8. Now let's do 2-foot power pulls forward on half circles, similar to the slalom pattern, but keeping your feet together throughout the entire exercise. Move your feet and hips around the circle, bending your knees and ankles as you start your circle and straighten as you change into next circle. Keep your back straight, head up, arms stretched to the side, and focus on working from your lower body. Next, we'll repeat the same exercise backward. Work on bending your ankles through the half circles while keeping your upper body still. Press into the ice so the one foot is on the outside edge and the other on the inside edge every time you start a new circle. The next exercise is a fun one. We are going to do the same 2-foot power pulls, but this time in a squat position. This is a great exercise for seat spin preparation, while also continuing to build power by pushing with both feet around the half circles. Keep your arms straight in front for better stability. Now let's repeat the same exercise backward. If you cannot go all the way down, bend your knees and ankles as much as you can while staying comfortable. Continue power pulling around the half circles. If you are a beginner skater still working on your 2- and 1-foot glides, or an advanced skater who wants to improve your basic skills, spins, and jump technique, visit my website styleskating.com and check out my video course Figure Skating Foundations. This course includes 100 videos starting from your very first steps on the ice all the way to more advanced moves, basic spins, and single jumps. Each lesson has step-by-step instructions, highlights common mistakes, and provides exercises to fix them. After completing this course, you will feel more confident on the ice and enjoy your skating even more. Click on the link above or look in the description below to sign up and join our fast-growing skating community today. Our next exercise will be preparation for the 1-foot power pulls. Start with forward outside edges. While staying on a circle, press on your skating leg and push twice, down, up, down, similar to power pulls, but staying on the same circle. Keep your free leg close to the skating foot. Press on the outside edge every time you bend your knee and ankle. Switch your feet and repeat on opposite foot. Continue across the ice on half circles. Now let's do the same exercise with forward and side edges. You can either keep your free leg close to the skating foot or use a swivel action pulling the free leg to the side each time you press on the inside edge to create a 1-foot power push. Continue around the half circles, bending and straightening your knee and ankle with each push. Now we are going to repeat the same exercise going backward. First work on backward outside edges. Press twice on each half circle while bending your knee and ankle, then switch at the axis and try the other foot on the next circle. Keep your back straight, head up, arms stretched to the side, and focus on working with your skating leg. Next, repeat the same on backward inside edges. Press down on inside edge when you bend your knee and ankle and then straighten your skating leg. Repeat second time and then switch your feet and start new half circle. These exercises will give you a better understanding and feeling of the power pull, which we are going to learn next. If you're enjoying this video and learn something new, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Also consider joining my YouTube membership, where you can email me directly with all your skating questions and even request a personalized video of your choice. Click the link above or look in the description below and join today. Now let's start with 1 foot power pulls. Begin by doing 3 power pulls, then glide and pause on 1 foot for more control. If you are losing speed, you can always switch legs. Try going from outside to outside edges first, and then the next time inside to inside. Bend your knee and ankle as you go around the half circle and straighten when you change edges. Repeat the same exercise on the opposite foot, keeping your back straight, arms to the side, and working only with your knee and ankle. Now let's try it backward. Do 3 power pulls from outside to outside edges, then pause and glide on 1 foot. Next, start on inside to inside edges. Switch feet as needed, or if you have enough power, try going the whole ice on 1 foot. That would be ideal. Finally, we are going to do a more difficult variation of the power pulls. Start with forward power pulls, keeping your free leg tucked under and working only with your skating leg. Try to keep your feet together and avoid excessive movement with your free leg. This is a challenging exercise, so don't get discouraged if you cannot do it perfectly the first time. Try at least a couple of half circles, then switch legs. Next, repeat the exercise backward. Cross your free leg in front this time, keeping your ankles tight and bending your skating leg as you draw the half circle. Keep your hips under you and straighten your skating leg on the axis as you change your edge. Great work today! By practicing these power pull exercises, forward, backward, 2 foot and 1 foot variations, you will build strength, control, and better edges. Remember, these drills not only improve your power and flow on the ice, but also help with spins, jumps, and overall skating technique. Keep practicing consistently, stay patient with challenging exercises, and enjoy the process. The more you focus on your knees, ankles, and proper body alignment, the more confident and powerful you will feel on the ice. Don't forget to revisit these exercises often and gradually challenge yourself with deeper bends, longer glides, and smoother transitions. Happy skating, and I see you in the next video.